Here we got a 57 T-Bird Convertible, and there's loads of them out here. I mean, there's T-Birds, 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 all out there. And all T-Birds out here. T-Bird over there. I'm going to do all these T-Birds. This one's a super fine example of T-Bird. Everything's all original in it, obviously. You know, right there, you know, when you're doing this, you know, you got the same radiator in it, original type battery with the original type fitting, you know, battery cables and a little bag for the washer. You know, that's original type hose clamps, you know, original type, you know, Ford Motorcraft voltage regulator and starter relay on a inner fender. You know, this thing's original, okay? There's your brakes there, single master cylinder. And he's got his battery disconnect. I should have got that kind instead of the other kind I got. Anyway, it's an expensive car back in the day, and it's an expensive car today. Automatic. Looks like an automatic, yeah. Got a nice top on it. And your exhaust comes out of your bumpers, which I always like that, how that looks. Just Thunderbirds everywhere, man. I'll go over this one right now, too. This is a earlier one, 55 or something. You know, so they got seals into the hood there. Seals to the hood there. This one's all original too. Get the hard top with the little opera window in it. Huh. Spare tire out back. Wants to do this one too. So obviously it's got two tires. It's got a tire in there and you got a tire back there. So this one's doesn't have the. So this is a 56. That's a 57. This is a 55. No, it's a 57. Oh yeah. Yeah, I should have went around the back. Yeah. Somehow, you know, when it look more older with the, you know, the fender skirts. That's just what kind of threw me for a loop there. In a Continental kit. Let's just do some of these right here. You notice the fender, so that's a 57, I guess that's a 56. Notice the difference between, oh, he's from Alabama, there you go. George Wallace country, yeah, Heart of Dixie. That's good, they put the Heart of Dixie on the plate, there you go. Then you notice the way the bumper is, and Continental kit between the two different years. Actually, this kit just looks more tucked in than that one, you know. Got a little bra in front. And that's a 56. This would be 57. I'm not familiar with T-Birds, but because they were rare even way back when, you know. You didn't see these cars around. Now that's interesting too, with these wheels. These wheels really go good with this car. You know that? They really do. There's a 55. Aftermarket motor. These wheels really go great with this car, man. It's, you know, you wouldn't. You know, sometimes aftermarket stuff really goes great with the old school stuff. Aluminum radiator, electric fan. Don't have to worry about nothing with this one. Dual master cylinder. Power brakes. I mean, power steering.